Yeah, it's recording.
Welcome to Rwanda. Hashtag visit Rwanda.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Yeah, what's up guys? I'm here with Morgan, the MVP of this Rwanda tour. We are in a place called, how do you call this place, Morgan?
It's a place where a convention center is like.
Yeah, what's convention center?
Convention center is a center where like there are conference rooms, you know,
Yeah.
like events where that happens. It's even like contains very good hotels like the Radisson Blue Hotel,
Yeah.
the Kigali Heights shopping mall, a very big shopping mall in Kigali.
So actually it's more like an iconic place.
Yeah,
And it's like a very nice area. Actually look the environment, man. Just look down here. And look at that building. See the building over there?
and that's
And
the
this-
Kigali Heights. Yeah.
This is the Kigali
Heights.
Heights.
And that's the KCB.
KCB is like
It's like a shopping mall too.
oh
It's like a
wow.
shopping mall.
Yeah, I'm sorry because of the
It's a mall.
sun, so you can't see that building, the other
It's a mall,
building
yeah, it's a
right there
mall.
very clearly. But
It's a mall.
it's a mall.
Yeah.
And 360, that's how it is right here. Really, really, really beautiful, like super cute. Yeah. Yeah,
Now
man, the grass
we-
is so good. Like,
We're going to show you the convention center. Like
Yeah.
it's an iconic like building.
Yeah.
Anyone coming to Rwanda, this building shouldn't go away from Rwanda without
you
visiting
showing this place, yeah. I wish I had a drone, man. I would have flew here.
You should
But-
visit this place whenever you come to Kigali. This is like
The
perfect.
best of
Yeah,
the best.
The best of the best.
So let's show you the convention center just ahead of us, okay?
Yeah, yeah,
So, okay, 1, 2, 3, let's do that.
yeah.
Been so nice to me, and it's my last day, man. Check Morgan out and show him some support. If you're coming to Rwanda, you can get him to show you around. Maybe at a fee, maybe, yeah.
The fee, of course, you know.
Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Rwanda.
Hey.